Welcome. This video will show you how to set up vehicle health alerts with FordPass and in turn run vehicle health reports. The beginning of this video will show you the steps on how to set up vehicle health alerts. It will also go over a very common problem of the FordPass icon not appearing on the sync screen. Skip to the numbers below in the video to jump right into troubleshooting.
So let's go to My Vehicles. We'll scroll down to this 2017 Taurus, which has Sync 3. And see here, Enable App Link just popped up. That's what we want. Access your vehicle's fuel level mileage, the most up-to-date health alerts when you enable Sync App Link. To get vehicle health and alerts, follow the steps. So the first thing we want to do is enable Sync App Link. This gives you instructions on how to, if you use Android Auto, how to disable using your vehicle's touchscreen if you don't see the FordPass icon. So first, make sure your vehicle is parked and running, which it is. Make sure you are connected to Sync 3, which we are. Note, we must disable Android Auto. I'm not running Android Auto, so we're okay on that. We're going to follow the prompts. If you use Android Auto, using your vehicle's touchscreen, press the apps icon on the feature bar at the bottom of your touchscreen. Press the FordPass icon. If a prompt appears, would you like to enable mobile apps? Select yes. If a pop-up appears asking to enable permissions, select yes. So here we're going to follow exactly the directions. So the apps icon, which is down here. Find mobile apps. Now, notice how FordPass, the app, did not appear. So here's what we can do. Based on the instructions on the phone, disconnect your phone from the Bluetooth connection, then reconnect and wait for FordPass to appear. So, as we know, we can go to the phone option, Galaxy J7, view devices. Let's try this first. Let's try disconnecting. Now let's try connecting. Find mobile apps. And look at that, FordPass came up. So again, that was a disconnecting of the phone. View devices. I literally just clicked on it. Disconnect, and then I reconnected. If that doesn't work, delete the device and then re-add the device, which is basically pairing. Pretty cool troubleshooting step. Now we can go back and FordPass is running. Would you like to enable mobile apps on sync? They have to press yes. Mobile apps enabled. To disable settings, then choose mobile apps. Okay, close. Whoops. That's what happens if you double tap on something. So this is saying permissions are not received, cannot connect to server, please try again. So what we're going to do is wait a couple seconds and look what pops up. App request access to driving, GPS speed notifications, blah blah blah. You want to make sure they click allow. The requested information will be shared with FordPass on Galaxy J7. To change this permission, view settings and choose mobile apps. Okay, close. Awesome. So here, this is what the screen looks like now. So we have a menu, we have alerts. I don't have any vehicle alerts. If we go back to the menu, oops, I double clicked again. Call roadside, call preferred dealer, exit FordPass. So there's really no, I keep doing this, sorry. If you call roadside, you can do it directly through sync. So this is what somebody should be seeing when you're up and running. And just to let you know on the app, what it looks like is, on this particular vehicle, vehicle details, nothing showing. After you've proven that you've gotten that icon to appear on the app, now you can actually have the person go to owner.ford.com, sign in with their FordPass credentials. You can click on your vehicle once you're signed in. Give it a second to think. That's the 2017 Taurus. If you scroll down, last report date, vehicle health report, you can go to details. Scroll down. Your report is ready to view. View the report. And see here, you can tell it's still thinking on the top. And you get all these wonderful health report details. Brake suspension, restraints, engine, trans, oil life, all the stuff that people want to know. It also tells you where to go if you want to schedule service with a Ford dealer. You have an option. So here you have it. That's what vehicle reports look like. That's how you can use the app to generate a report. Just make sure that you again, have already made sure, proven that the Ford Pass icon is showing on the sync screen. And if you notice on this particular vehicle, now vehicle health appears in the tab. Vehicle health. No issues found. About vehicle health report. It gives you all the different topics here. You can find a dealer. You can schedule a report. So stay on top of your vehicle's health. It's got my email here. Vehicle health reports on. You can select the cadence. So there's all sorts of things you can do. And note that this is not my vehicle, but because I was able to connect, via AppLink with Ford Pass, I now have this cool ability. And that's it, folks. Hope that helps with vehicle health reports too. All right, bye-bye. So right now we're going to discuss how to unpair a phone from the sync system, which is an important troubleshooting step in vehicle health and alerts, as well as AppLink. So let's go ahead and try that. To unpair the phone, you want to go to Settings, Phone, View Devices. This is my phone. That's the name of the phone. It's paired. If there's multiple phones available, you can select from multiple phones. We'll select it. Now you can either disconnect the phone or delete the phone. Disconnecting the phone simply disconnects the audio, disconnects the Bluetooth. Deleting the phone is what I would suggest because this is removing the device from the system. Let's delete that. Now my phone is no longer on this sync system, which is great because it's not my car. So in the instance that you want to delete a device, that's how you would delete the phone. Now to re-add the phone, it's pretty simple. We're going to go to Settings, Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
We're going to go to the phone. And on mine, I'm actually going to the Bluetooth menu. Ford Taurus.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It matches, so I'm going to say OK on my phone. OK on the sync screen.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So if somebody says, I repaired and what's this all about? 911 Assist, this is if you were, and again, you don't have to know this because this is an in-vehicle technology thing. So if somebody, got into an accident, basically the Sync system has the ability to make an outbound call. If they have questions about this feature, get them over to in-vehicle technology. Because this is not my vehicle, I'm just going to say no to this. And I'm also not going to download contacts. Click Finish, gives me a little bit of a message saying that, hey, guess what, you're not going to be able to do a couple things, which is fine. Most people will leave that auto contacts on because it's their actual vehicle. So hopefully that helps. That's a quick way to, troubleshoot, unpair the phone, or basically you're deleting the device from sync, re-adding it to sync, and hopefully that should help. One other thing we can try as part of a troubleshooting process is to do a soft reset to the sync system. This is not the same as a master reset. Soft resets work a little bit differently. Somebody's basically going to be holding down the power button and the right seek arrow simultaneously. So let's try that out. You're going to press both of these together. Hold it down for about 5 seconds or so. The screen goes blank. Now the screen's going to pop back up again, and we can resume activity as usual. So once this happens, now we can go back into the Ford Pass app and try something such as retapping on Enable AppLink and following the process. So we'll just go here to Update, say yes to any prompts. If somebody needs help with Wi-Fi networks, get them over to In-Vehicle Technology.